everybody. We're going to give it just a second. It went live, honestly, before I thought it was going to. So
I'm gonna see if it
I thought it was going to prompt me to put a title in, but no, we just went straight live. So
no, I haven't gotten a notification yet.
Hang tight for a sec if you're getting this already.
I don't know. All right. Well, it looks like we're live.
Somebody said hi,
Someone
and
say
we're
hi.
live. Sorry for the flip. I apologize. We're trying to do the back of the phone so we both fit in it, so we can't actually see it. So we're trying to watch it on a different phone, and it's not showing up live, but it shows live that we are. So
Ignore the technical difficulties for now. It's fine. We're fine.
We're just gonna roll with it. It'll all be good. So we just wanted to pop on and tell you guys what we're working on, because we have kind of a big, oh, there it is. Now we're showing it. We have kind of a big project in the works that we're working on that we're really excited about.
Yes. For those of you who don't know us, we are Shutter and Compass, Megan and Shelby, and we are your traveling photography vloggers, podcasters. We enjoy travel. We like each other all right. Just kidding. I'm sarcastic. She's great.
Pointed up.
Is it being all crazy? We're still having technical difficulties.
Anyway, that's okay.
It's
Keep
fine.
going.
We're good.
It's good enough.
So
live.
we have been working on quite a few projects, and we did notice that we have quite a few new faces around here. So we really wanted to just take the time to introduce ourselves, let you guys know who we are, why we kind of created Shutter and Compass, and then mostly to let you guys in on what we've been working on.
Yes. So I'm Megan.
Shelby. And yes, Shutter and Compass. Most of you have probably gotten Shutter and Compass, Shutter Photography, Compass Traveling. Yeah, I think I'm in there all right, maybe. I don't know. And so we started this project 1 year ago of Shutter and Compass as an entity.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and we're both photographers. I was a travel agent previously for just a hot minute, like maybe a couple years, and very quickly realized that was not where my passions were. I love to travel. I love to take pictures. I love social media. I don't want to manage your vacation though. Mm-hmm. So
yeah, and I'm a photographer, and I still love photography. I'm not going too far away from that, but I also wanted to incorporate working with my bestie and then also being able to do the photography while traveling, because honestly, I've hit that phase of my life where I think that this is just something more fun and a new adventure together. So
yep. So we started Shutter and Compass, and we weren't exactly sure what it even was. We were like, let's just travel together, and maybe we'll do like some vlogs. We'll do a podcast and just kind of have fun with it. We both had like regular jobs, so it was kind of a passion project side thing just for fun. And we really decided that there was a need that was not being met for travel advisors, travel professionals, whether you're a blogger or whatever. And we thought, nobody's doing this, and I think we could do it and help a lot of people and have a lot of fun with it. So we kind of came up with this crazy idea.
And we are very, very invested in it. We have, this idea, but we have a lot of ideas streaming from it as well. So for all of our new friends who are just joining us, we are not travel agents. She is not a travel agent anymore. We have no desire to do that. We're not stepping on any toes. We're not doing any of that stuff. We plan to help travel agents out.
That's right. So what we do love to do is travel and take footage of, videos, photos. We like to create content. We don't necessarily want to book people's trips though. And for travel agents, you guys also love to travel, and maybe booking the trips is what you're really good at, but the content creation is a little bit harder. Or, you go on a trip. I think we've all been on a trip where you video the whole trip and you get home and you say, man, I didn't take as much as I thought. I felt like I was videoing the whole time and I didn't get half of what I wanted to get. And that's where we can help you. We are not offering to manage anybody's social media, nothing like that. We're not going to be social media managers, but we are going to put together a vault of our footage, pictures, videos, pre-made reels, all kinds of things that you can use on your social media. So, for example, we just went to Epic Universe. a lot of travel agents haven't been yet, and they're not going to be able to go in maybe the first year. We just took a ton of footage, and we're actually going back in March to get a whole bunch more footage, because even for us, we went with our teenagers and we had an agenda of what we wanted to film, and we still only got half of what we wanted. So we're going to go back in March and do it again, but we did get a lot even though. So we have a whole collection of Epic Universe videos, food, rides, things that we could put out to travel agents right now. So if you can't go for the first couple of years, or you just don't want to because it's hot and it's crowded, we can hook you up right there. And same with, you know, Disney, sandals, cruise lines.
And we have, so again, we love travel. So we have been a lot of places between us, before Shutter and Compass Life, but also since Shutter and Compass, we've gone on cruises. We have seen the Caribbean, and I mean, I know there's a lot of places, but we have a lot of different focuses that we will be able to share our content of, which is fantastic because, again, usually as a travel agent, a lot of people do focus on one thing, totally cool. But if you want to pass kind of that one area or whatever, we will have a lot more places accessible.
Right. And even if you go, you know, say you're a Disney agent and you do Disney and that's your bread and butter and you go all the time. Maybe you don't want to spend your whole trip filming. Maybe you'd rather just use some of our footage and actually enjoy your trip.
Absolutely. And again, we went with six
teenagers.
It sounds a lot worse, like what you're saying. So yes, we went with 6 teenagers, and we love our teenagers.
We do.
But they still wanted to spend time with us, so they love us, which is fantastic. But that also means kind of our plans in doing all this content stuff was kind of derailed a little bit for the best reasons possible to spend time with our family. But we did have more of an idea of what we wanted, and we were not able to get it all. And there's 2 of us, and then, you know, 2 more, including our husbands. It's just, It is what it is.
And we have a bunch of footage from previous trips. Like I said, I was a travel agent, so I did, you know, take content for that the last couple of years. So I do have previous Disney trips. I have cruises. I have all kinds of stuff that I'm happy to share with you guys. And then in the future, we'll do business trips, just the 2 of us, where we have an agenda and we just film all day long so that you don't have to.
Or film a little bit and drink. Just kidding. I'm totally kidding. We're totally going to work.
Well, we could have like a leisure day in there also.
Yes, absolutely.
Which we would still film, don't get me wrong.
I kind of feel like y'all would be totally down for that as well.
Right.
And so again, some things that you guys might be wondering why, again, she's addressed why we're doing this, and she's addressed like some of the benefits. But realistically, as photographers, and I'm just going to say it out loud, we have scrolled social media and photography pages and all the things for so long. You're dealing with photographers who use their eyes for a living, for getting detail shots, for getting different angles, for doing things that literally attract people more towards certain things visually. And so we thought that that would be a great need that we could fill. And again, having much older children, it allows us to go and do some of that hard legwork of the very necessary social media and content creation, and still allowing everyone else to be able to have their fun when they go, but also get what they want, but also allow us to fill in some of those gaps.
Yeah, absolutely. If you're like, oh, but I like filming my own footage, that's great. But we can fill in a lot of those gaps with the things that you don't need. So if you're not trying to do all that bulk footage, you can focus on the fun things that are like a little more creative. And, you know, I think you can just play with it more because you're not on this timeline of I have to get a Mickey pretzel and I have to get a Dole Whip and I have to get a, you know, like we've already got that.
And we can see it. I mean, for me personally, you know, we know, all of us know, we can all go out with whatever phone we have or whatever and just capture, you know, random stuff. And that's fine. That's good. It shows you've been there and all the things. But if you just want to take it to the next level, I think we are definitely on that path to being able to help you guys do that.
Yes. So if you are not already following us, please follow Shutter and Compass. We are putting reels out all the time so you can see the kind of footage we have, and we'll do bulk footage that you can download and make your own reels, and we'll also do some pre-made reels. And even if other agents are using them, you're not all going to download the same one on the same day. You can add to a reel, you can put your own stickers and text on top of it. You can totally customize it. So I don't think you're ever going to be in a position where anything that we have is like too cookie cutter for you. Like we'll always have something you can get in there and create And you can add it to clips you already have. Maybe you have a clip of yourself, on a Virgin cruise. You can take all of our Virgin footage and splice it in with the clips of yourself and, make a very well-rounded reel.
Absolutely. And though a lot of you, again, travel agents, you guys are really who we are catering to and whatnot right now. But you have to think that, yes, we all follow each other. We see you. But your clients aren't following 1,000 of us, okay? They're just not. So please take that, information when you're processing exactly what we're doing and why we're doing it. Even if people do have a similar type of thing, we see them all the time. But our clients, your clients, won't.
No. Because, whenever there's a trend, that happens. There's a new trending audio with like a text on the screen or whatever, and then every travel agent does it, and we're all following each other. We all know we all do it. But like she said, our clients don't. They just are following you. And they think you're so clever for coming up with that. They don't know that 100 other agents just did it.
Yeah, absolutely. So please let us know what you guys think. We are so excited to launch this and just get this out to you. We just have so many big plans. We are so excited about what we're doing. But if there's something that you can think of that we can add on to, please let us know. We're definitely down for some insight, but we're really excited to get to work with all of you.
Definitely. So stay tuned, follow us. We also have a podcast and a blog that we were not, like I said in the beginning, we weren't really sure what we were doing with it. We're going to just kind of keep vlogging our travels and a little bit of the behind the scenes of building this and how it's going. So if you want to hang out with us more, follow along. And we're on YouTube as well as anywhere you get a podcast. So yeah, check us out. Follow us. We will follow you back. Also, we love to follow back and we love to collaborate and engage. So if you're commenting, we're going to return comments and all of that. So let us be your travel besties and let's have fun together.
That is 100% our goal. And just on you can hang out with us virtually, but you can also in May of 2026 hang out with us and our friend Kristen Alfred with travel.with.Kristen. And you could also hang out with us on our very first Shutter and Compass group trip.
That's right. We are going to Sandals, Montego Bay next May 2026. And we would love to have everybody come. That would be so fun. So if you are interested in going to Sandals with us, let us know and we will make that happen.
And that can be optional work, optional hangout, optional whatever you guys want to make of it. We really just want to go have a good time. We already have a small group going with us. We hope that group's going to get larger. And we just have the best, we have the best plans for what's ahead.
Yeah, we could even pencil in some time for content creation. Maybe we could do like some fun little photo shoot kind of things. So if you want to do anything like that, let us know.
Yeah, absolutely. And we have a lot more details about like what's involved with a group trip and why we chose those dates and everything. So again, just follow along. We are happy to give you the details.
Yes, if you do want to know, just off the top of my head real quick, there is going to be a Sandals 5K going on. So if you want content and footage of the 5K of yourself in it, come with us and you can do the 5K with us. And we're also doing a reading road trip and donating some school supplies to Sandals. So if you want any more video information on that, stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of fun.
We're so excited about this, you guys. So join us with our travels and we look forward to connecting more with you both virtually and hopefully in person as well.
See you guys next time.